Let's start with the downloading and installation process of QGIS. For the downloading of QGIS, you need to write QGIS free download in Google, and this will open the official site of QGIS download. QGIS is an open software, and when you came into their official site, you will get two options there. One is of long-term release and one is of latest release. You need to download with the long-term release because it's mean that this is the stable version. Okay, so in my case I have already downloaded it, and now we need to double click on it and run the installer in our systems. As you double click on the installer, it will start the installation process, and this is the wizard for the setup installation which will guide you about the installation process. You need to read the instructions, and it is about if you want to continue with the installation, then you need to click on next, otherwise you need to click on cancel. So as we want to install it, we need to click on next. Then we need to accept the terms of license agreement. Then this is the path where QGIS will install in your C drive. Now you finally click on install icon to begin the installation. Okay, as the installation will complete, it will show you with the pop-up that you need to click on the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Now QGIS has been successfully installed in your systems. For the to run QGIS, you need to search in your system for QGIS. This is the app we have just installed in our system. To run it, we need to click on open button. Okay, so this is the initial interface of QGIS 3.44. Or whatever version you have installed in your systems, and this is a open source software, and it provides you with the multiple plugins for GIS analysis. So thank you, that's it for today.